Welcome to EtherOcean. Dive into the decentralized depths. About EtherOcean. EtherOcean is a pioneering decentralized platform built on the Ethereum blockchain, empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. By leveraging the power of smart contracts, we offer a transparent, secure, and efficient ecosystem that puts control back in your hands. Let's know about EtherOcean. Security. Built on the robust Ethereum blockchain, EtherOcean guarantees the security of your funds through advanced smart contract technology. Transparency. Every transaction on our platform is recorded on the blockchain, providing unparalleled transparency and accountability. Decentralization. Our platform operates on a decentralized network, eliminating the need for intermediaries and ensuring true financial independence. Efficiency. Our user-friendly interface and streamlined processes make it easy to navigate and maximize your earnings. Equality. Regardless of your experience level, EtherOcean offers equal opportunities for everyone to participate and succeed. Registration in EtherOcean. Smart contract. EtherOcean operates on advanced smart contract technology designed for security and automation. The contract never stores participant funds. Instead, they automatically redirect incoming transactions to the wallets of other participants based on the program rules. Personal wallet. Create a wallet: Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Token Pocket, SafePal to control your funds. Rewards are instantly credited to your wallet. Referral linking. Your referral link is permanent, locking in your upline and downline for a stable, transparent network. EtherOcean advantages: no owner, no admin, auto instant withdrawal, 100% decentralized, 100% risk-free plan. Getting started with EtherOcean. Secure your wallet. Download a trusted wallet: Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Token Pocket, SafePal. Set up your wallet and keep your recovery phrase safe. Join EtherOcean. Use your wallet to participate in the platform. Receive rewards, track transactions, and engage with the network. Business opportunity. Start your journey with EtherOcean on only invest 0.001 Ether or 3 USDT. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. You can check out EtherOcean slots. Sponsor bonus. We give up to 90% sponsor bonus. Refer a new member who purchases the first package and earn 90% bonus. Refer a new member who purchases the 4th to 15th packages and earn a 45% bonus. Placement structure. Top to bottom, left to right. First recruit. The first person you recruit is placed directly below you at the top of your downline structure. Cascading placement. New recruits are automatically placed beneath previous recruits in a cascading fashion, filling the structure from top to bottom. When filling positions on the same level, recruits are placed left to right, ensuring that positions at each level are filled evenly before moving to the next lower level. You can check out our sponsor bonuses and their criteria. Check out our next sponsor bonuses and their criteria. Check out our next sponsor bonuses and their criteria. Income flow chart. Step-by-step breakdown below. First level income 0.00118 Ether purchase. Second level homestead 0.00133 Ether. Second level open. Homestead 0.00133 ETH. Second level income 0.00478 Ether. Purchase third level Metropolis 0.00266 Ether. Third level open. Metropolis 0.00266 ETH. Third level income 0.01912 Ether. Purchase fourth level Serenity 0.00533 Ether. Fourth level open. Income flow chart, step-by-step breakdown. Serenity 0.00533 Ether. Fourth level income 0.0384 Ether. Purchase fifth level power up 0.01066 Ether. Fifth level open. Sponsor bonus 45%. Starting from fourth level. Power up 0.01066 Ether. Fifth level income 0.15350 Ether. Purchase sixth level superb 0.02133 Ether. Sixth level open. Superb 0.02133 Ether. Sixth level income 0.61430 Ether. Purchase seventh level mentor 0.04266 Ether. Seventh level open. Mentor 0.04266 Ether. Seventh level income 2.45721 Ether. Purchase 8th level. Icon 0.08533 Ether. 8th level open. Icon 0.08533 Ether. 8th level income 9.83001 Ether. Purchase 9th level duplex 0.17066 Ether. 9th level open. Duplex 0.17066 Ether. 9th level income 39.32006 Ether. Purchase 10th level Alpha 0.34133 Ether. 10th level open. Alpha 0.34133 Ether. 10th level income 157.28486 Ether. Purchase 11th level Helix 0.68266 Ether. 11th level open. Helix 0.68266 Ether. 11th level income 629.13945 Ether. Purchase 12th level Ambassador 1.36533 Ether. 12th level open. Ambassador 1.36533 Ether. 12th level income 2516.57625 Ether. Purchase 13th level Champion 2.73066 Ether. 13th level open. Champion 2.73066 Ether. 13th level income 10,066.30502 Ether. Purchase 14th level. Legend 5.46133 Ether. 14th level open. Legend 5.46133 Ether. 14th level income 40,265.29382 Ether. Purchase 15th level Godfather 10.92266 Ether. 15th level open. Godfather 10.92266 Ether. 15th level income 161061. 175 to 9 Ether. 1 account earning potential 2,14,748.213718 Ether. Level income projection. Turn 0.001 Ether into 2,14,748.213718 Ether. Total income is equal to 2,14,748.213718 Ether. Royalty income for rank holders. You can check royalty income for rank holders table. Any one highest royalty will be paid to directs compulsory for royalty. Anyone who earns 2x of the total investment from all or any income will be out from the royalty pool. Level income example. 9th level 0.07679 Ether. 8th level 0.03839 Ether. 7th level 0.01919 Ether. 6th level 0.00959 Ether. 5th level 0.00479 Ether. 4th level 0.00239 Ether. 3rd level 0.00239 Ether. 2nd level 0.00119 Ether. Delaying the upgrade to the next level means missing out on significant potential income opportunities. Example given below. Thank you for watching.